Computer Studies, Grade 3. Lesson 5, Introducing Microsoft Word. End of this lesson, students will get an idea on word processors and MS Word application. What are word processors? A word processor is a software that allows users to create, edit, and print documents. It enables you to write text, store it electronically, display it on a screen, modify it by entering commands and characters from the keyboard, and print it. Of all computer applications, word processing is the most common. What are the word processing softwares available? There are many word processing softwares. For example, WordStar, WordPerfect, Professional Write, and MS Word. Now let's see what are the features of word processing packages. You can edit the whole or a part of the document. You can count the number of words in a document. Also, you can divide text into pages. You can set the margins and correct the spelling mistakes. And you can change the font, style, size and color of text while typing. You can save a document, open it, and make changes whenever you want. The document is not deleted until you give the command to do so. And you can insert a drawing into the document and print a part or the whole of the document. Now let's see what are the components of MS Word window. As you can see here, we have a picture of the Microsoft Word window, and all the components have been marked like this. We'll start from the Office button. This button we call the Office button. This is the Quick Access toolbar. These names we call tab names. This is the title bar, which has the current document's name and the application's name here. Then minimize button, maximize button, and close button, and the help icon, scroll arrow, scroll button, scroll bar, browser buttons, zoom buttons, and sliders. Using these zoom buttons, you can zoom in and zoom out the document here. Then view buttons and status bar. In the status bar, which shows the number of pages and the number of words which are in the current document. And these are the two rulers we have. This is the insertion point. This we call ribbon groups. And the white area we call the workspace. Okay, now let's see how to start MS Word. To start MS Word, click on the Start button, click down arrow, and by using this scrolling bar, you can move the screen to left and right. So move the screen like this, and under Microsoft Office, click on Microsoft Word. Now we'll see how to close an MS Word document. The document means the white area where you work on. So if you want to keep the Word application but to close the current document, what you have to do is click on the Office button, then click Close. Okay, children, it's time for us to do a little exercise. Write answers for the following questions. 1. What are word processors? 2. Write 5 features of word processing packages. 3. Write 4 examples for word processing software. Now let's check the answers. 1. A word processor is a computer software that deals with text-based information. 2. You can edit the whole or a part of the document. You can count the number of words in a document. You can divide text into pages. You can set the margins and correct the spelling mistakes. You can change the font, style, size and color of text while typing. 3. WordStar, WordPerfect, Professional Write and MS Word. Okay, children, that is the introduction of MS Word. We'll meet up again with another lesson. Until then, bye-bye.